Hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to pin this PC in your Windows 11 desktop. So first, what you want to do is just head over to your desktop and just right click, and then what you want to do is go to new and then click on shortcut, and then after that I will provide some text in the description so that you will just paste these so it will be easier for you. So what you want to do is just copy this here and then just paste it there, and then just click on next. And then what you want to do is just rename this shortcut to this PC, and then just click on finish. And then as you can see, you have now this PC on your desktop. So what you can also do is go to properties, go to change icon so that you can change the look of the icon of this PC, and then just copy this text right here. It will also be provided in the description. Paste that, click on OK, and then just look for this PC icon which looks like a monitor. So it's this one right here, and then just click on OK, and then click on apply, and then click on OK. And then there you go. You now have this PC in your desktop. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to pin this PC on your desktop. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.